Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Molly and welcome to another exciting episode. So in this episode, I'm going to be sharing a review of Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipsticks. So recently I have purchased it and they just delivered it around 2 days ago, and I'm so excited to share the review of these products to you guys because I wanted to try this product for a long ago, but finally I have purchased it and I'm so excited to share my review and my experience with you guys. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So guys, as you can see, I have purchased 3 of this product and they are so tiny product. I didn't expect that it's gonna be this much tiny, so I'm really disappointed by its size first of all, but they are totally creamy formula and I have tried only one shade of this product and I have in my hand right now 13A Mulled Wine. So this is a kind of winey shade and I'm gonna give you hand swatches. So I have to firstly open the watch. So now my hands are free. I'm ready to give you the swatches. So here is the swatches. So guys, this is in the shade 13A Mulled Wine. As you can see, this is totally wine shade, but this is not that much matte. Their name is So Matte Mini Lipstick, guys, but I'm really disappointed because it has some shimmery tint to it. As you can see guys, I'm going to give you a very close view so you can understand it rightly. And this is not smudge proof, this is not waterproof. It will fade away with time, so it will leave a little bit of tint if you are applying any type of dark shade lipstick. Like this one is very dark shade lipstick, so if you're applying this, as you can see, it will leave some tint, but it's not smudge proof, not waterproof, and I don't think this is totally matte at all. And the quantity of this product is very less. Like the packaging, you can just see. I will say that the packaging of this product is little bit similar to the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick. The packaging is similar to that because it's like a square packaging. So I can say that this is the dupe of Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick, but the quantity of this product is really less, like really less. Like it will last up to 4 to 5 swatches on your lip and after that it's finished. Like for 4 to 5 swatches you are paying 199 rupees. It's little bit more than way costly, but yes, if you're traveling somewhere, I think this is gonna be the best friend for you guys because this is so travel friendly, so tiny, and this is very nice packaging. So yeah, this is a very good product for travel, but for daily use I can't give it a 5-star. Next up I have the shade 11A Naughty Nude. This is a nude shade, so I'm gonna give first hand swatches. So as you can see, and particularly this shade I will not recommend to the dusky skin tone. It will go amazingly with fair to medium skin tone, but if you're dusky skin tone, better not to try this particular shade because it will not look good on dusky skin tone. So I will prefer this color for the fair to medium skin tone. And the Mulled Wine, I forgot to tell that this particular shade will go amazingly with any skin tone. Like if you're fair, medium, dusky, any skin tone can have this particular shade because this is winey shade and wine shade really complements Indian skin tone. So if you're from any skin tone, you can particularly have this Mulled Wine, but this Naughty Nude shade only for fair to medium skin tone. Next up I have in my hand another favorite shade of mine, and I love pink. I am so much into pink and nude. I'm not that much into the red because I think red does not complement me. I know every Indian skin tone loves red lipstick, but this is only me. Like this particular red lipstick does not complements me at all, so I'm not into the red shade of the lipstick because makeup is pretty subjective and you have to be very specified that what looks good on you, and I think pink shade looks really good on me. So I'm so much tinted into pink and nude, and I have this very beautiful pink shade right now in my hand. I'm gonna give a hand swatch firstly. So this is how it looks. When it actually arrived 2 days ago and I was like, I have to use this, and I already used it 2 times before I'm giving you the swatches, but the previous shades were not been used. I have used it right over here first time, and this particular shade, I'm in love with this shade, and I think this particular shade will complement any medium skin tone. Fair and dusky skin tone can also have this, but medium skin tone, like if you are from neutral skin or yellowish skin tone, then it will complement you really nicely. Now I will be swatching the lipsticks on my lips so you can understand how it will look on your lips as well. So whenever I will be applying the lipstick, firstly I will be neutralizing my lips with the foundation, so the color payoff of the lipstick comes out really nicely, so you can understand what is the color of the lipstick actually and how it will look on you. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life, make me feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so, feel so lucky, feel so lucky, feel so lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came.
So guys, with that I'm finishing this swatches. I hope I have explained all the points and all the pros and cons of this lipstick in this video. But if you have any more queries about this lipstick, do let me know in the comment section. I will answer it all. So yeah, it's time to sign off. But before sign off, please do not forget to like this video if you find this video helpful, and also share it with your friends and family. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'm new in this field, I need your support guys, and I will see you soon in the brand new episode. Until we meet next time, I love you all. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye bye.